Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with a really quick video. So I'm here with my Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Okay, so I turned on the device a few moments ago and I did a search for software update. So download and install, and I've just realized that there's a new update for the camera. So what's new? Let's have a look and see what's new. Camera picture quality has been improved. The stability of keyboard sound has been improved. The security of your device has been improved. Yeah, so there's a new update for the camera. If you have a Note 10 or a Note 10 Plus, go ahead and download this right now. Or it could be that the update is just for the Note 10. So yeah, if you have a Note 10 Plus, let me know if this update is available for you as well. Anyway, I'm out. It was a quick video.